What is up, guys? Ejwebs here, back in another video, and today I am doing a special opening. I'm returning to YouTube by doing a special birthday special. I don't know why I said special twice, but yes, today's my birthday and I decided to open up 30 Pokemon card packs. I legit not filmed a video in like 2 months basically, so I just did not have the motivation to post, but now I'm going to be back and posting maybe regularly once at least 2 weeks. So I do have 30 packs here. Most of them are Sword and Shield, but I do have Rebel Clash and some Darkness Ablaze and Unbroken Bonds. So yes, I'm also in quarantine because my roommate had COVID. I do not have it right now, but I still have to be in quarantine until the 3rd. Not the way to spend your 21st birthday, but whatever. I'm doing what I can. I do have some packs to open. I have 30 right here, so I'm just gonna start off with some Rebel Clash. Okay, make sure to subscribe and like the video, guys. We have an Energy, Bronzong, Nuggets, Skuntank, Natu, Barboach, Squavit, Afflin, Timepole, Clefable Reverse Hollow, and a Diggersby. Let's get into another Rebel Clash. Okay, make sure. Okay, so we have an Energy, Scoop Up Net, we have a Chatot, Charjabug, Dreepy, a Magmar, Yamask, Surskit, Stuffle, Scyther Reverse, and a Ice Cube Hollow. I do not think I have that Hollow card, so that's interesting. Yes, this is a little bit of an impromptu setup. I do have my face cam on a box of Kleenex, so I'm just doing what I can work with in quarantine. So, go through these packs very fast. I have a Meowth and a Trevenant. Let's get into our first Sword and Shield. Have not had good luck with this set. Quantity is good, but quality is not good. We have Energy, Heatmore, Metal Saucer, Quick Ball. I have a Goldeen, Diglett, Skorupi, Hoot Hoot, Scorbunny, Yamper, and a Dreadnought. Let's get back to some Rebel Clash. Alright. We have an Energy, Palpitoad, Capture Energy, Chatot, Clefairy, Voltorb, Nosepass, Wingull, Phantom, Galarian Surfetch'd, and another Dragapult. This card is so printed. This is the 4th time I've pulled this card, but I've pulled pretty much every V in Rebel Clash, so I can't be mad. I just have so many copies of that card. Okay, let's get into some Sword and Shield. So we have Heatmore, Metal Saucer, Quick Ball, Galarian Ponyta, Sobble, Maractus, Mudbray, Pawniard, Vulpix, and a Whimsicott. So let's get into some more Rebel Clash. Hopefully, no more Dragapults. So, ooh, I think we have something very good in this pack. Let's see what we got. A Milo full art. It's not that good. It's a pretty cheap full art, and plus I have it before. I was hoping it was a secret rare, but it's not too bad. It's a card, nevertheless. It's a card, baby. Hopefully the pulls, the pulls are pretty good right now, so I'm not gonna complain. It just, let's see what we get in this Sword and Shield pack. A Torkoal V full art. Wow, that's amazing. I don't know if I have this yet. Oh man, I really can't think if I pulled this or not, but it's a really cool card. Sword and Shield coming through. These pulls are insane. That's the third Ultra Rare out of like 8 packs or something. That's pretty good. I just need somewhere to put all these cards. Okay. Back to Rebel Clash. Let me just put this camera up a bit. Yeah. All right. So, Electrode, Tool Scrapper, Curse Shovel. Okay, my group chat was ringing. Okay, a Duraludon Hollow. Yeah, so I have a group chat with my friends, and it went off right there, and the video stopped recording, so that kind of sucks. Oh, wow. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Crushing Hammer, Switch, Joltik, Silly Cobra, Blipbug, Goldeen, Yamper. This is Sword and Shield base, right? A Stonejourner V. Oh, another full art. That is crazy. I just forgot what set I was opening for a second. So I do have that full art, so hopefully we get some stuff that's new. The Torkoal may be new. I'm not 100% sure. Zacian, regular rare. Okay, let's get into another Sword and Shield. So, what do we got here? A Torkoal V, so that goes with the Torkoal full art right there. I'm running out of space. I pulled that V 4 times, but I pulled so many of those cards, so many of those the V cards from Sword and Shield base, so it's not really that big of a deal. These are all coming from the 2 packs of Darkness Ablaze. So yeah, just gonna go really fast. Duraludon, another Duraludon, and then got a Whiscash. So there is some Unbroken Bonds at the end, along with 1 Darkness Ablaze pack. So I've had a bunch of stuff sitting around. I've got the Galarian Surfetch box to open, the Eternatus box, and then the tins that also released too, with Eevee, Pikachu, and then Eternatus. All right. See what we got here. We have a Galarian Mr. Rhyme. All right, another moving of the cards. Back to Sword and Shield. Will I pull the Gold Zacian? Come on, Gold Zacian. Kind of took a quick peek at the texture on that. Yeah, I think there was texture on that back card right there. Come on, please be something good. Please be something I don't have. A Marnie full art. That's something I don't have. That's awesome. That is the 4th full art in this opening. That's just crazy. Wow, I don't know where to put it. Put it by the Stonejourner. Wow, that's a hit. That's a hit that makes me happy. Okay, back to Rebel Clash. I think Marnie is still a pretty valuable card. Not 100% sure on that, but we have Heracross, Electrode, Honedge, Litwick, Galarian Cursola, Binnacle, Scyther, Lotad, and a Mandibuzz. Okay. Sword and Shield. Alright. Vitality Band. Alright, Doug Trio, and an Orbeetle. That was Sword and Shield based. Now we have some Unbroken Bonds. So we do have some Sun and Moon action in this opening. And it's a green code. So we have Tyrogue, Fairy Charm ability. Unbroken Bonds is notorious for bad pull rates. There's a Lowland Doug Trio right there. As my roommates want me to talk to them. So I have Salazzle, Doug Trio, Kufant, Baltoy, Chinchou. Ooh, and a Corviknight. Okay, another Unbroken Bonds right here. Do we flip it? Oh, okay. It's a white code, I guess. It was that way this time. Let's hope for something good out of this. I have Energy, Beastbringer, Lairon, Rhyhorn, Growlithe, Cubone, Riolu, Porygon, Gengar, and a Marshadow Hollow. So getting something good from Unbroken Bonds. Go back to Sword and Shield for this one. Okay. Rotom Bike, Drizzly, Bisharp, Silicobra, Blipbug, Goldeen, Yamper, Skorupi, Choodle, and a Lapras VMAX. Another ultra rare hit. Amazing. Wow, look at that. That is awesome. Oh, man. Okay, another Sword and Shield. Oh, I think I was actually in Unbroken Bonds time. Drapion and a Cloyster. So, let's do another Unbroken Bonds. Okay. We got another one after this, so we do have some more action. But which way is the code? Ah, it's not that way. That's hitting my bottle. So we have Krokorok, Graveler, Hitmontop, Poliwag, Spritzee, Darumaka, and a Darmanitan. So basic to stage 1. Okay. Let's do another Broken Bonds right here. Alright. Okay. I just don't know which way the codes go. So we got Fairy Charm, Poliwhirl. And then we got Goldeen, Darumaka, Sandile, Salandit, Sandile, and another Hollow. We got a Spiritomb. Alright. We have about a lot of cards. We have, I think, 5 packs to go. After this is the 5th. I'm getting so many birthday texts that it's like crazy. So you've got Energy, Pokemon Center Lady, Voltic, Silicobra, Blipbug, Corviknight, or Corvisquire, and then we got Snorlax. Here's the one Darkness Ablaze. An Energy, Corvisquire Rose. Another Corvisquire reverse. Back-to-back packs with Corvisquire reverses. All right. 3 packs to go. All Sword and Shield. So, I'm just going really fast here. Yamper and Drampa. So let's got 2 more packs to open. Corvisquire, Nickit, Chinchou, Diglett. Oh, my arm's getting tired. Noctowl and Snorlax. Okay, last pack to go. Could we end with some last pack magic? Energy, Mantine, Dottler, Corvisquire, Pikachu, Sinistea, Wooloo. Cards are going everywhere. I have an Evolution Incense and then a Sandaconda. So that was 30 packs of Pokemon cards. That was a lot. And we did get many, many hits. We got a Torkoal V, Dragapult V, Lapras VMAX, Milo, Torkoal V Full Art, Marnie Full Art, and then Stonejourner Full Art. So there you guys go. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and watch my other videos. And more videos we post regularly soon. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.